Well, hello everybody. Hey, I hope that you've had a great weekend. I've been looking at different recipes trying to decide what I want to make for our Christmas baking, and I had this idea of taking the flavors of some of my favorite holiday baking and incorporating them into a smoothie. And so today what I'm going to share with you is a gluten-free ginger snap smoothie. So I tried it yesterday. It's very intense in terms of the flavors, but so is ginger snap, right? So let's jump in and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to add is about 1.5 cups of milk. I'm using coconut milk. You use any kind of milk that you like, okay? You can even use water with this. So, and then the other ingredients are ground ginger, let's see, ground cloves, cinnamon, and molasses. Okay, so let's go ahead and add them. So, there we go. Get all this in here. All of these wonderful spices. Okay, and then I'm gonna add, this is, let me show you, molasses. You gotta have molasses in gingerbread, right? So I'm gonna add that in here. See if I can get it all incorporated. Okay, yummy. Okay, and then the last ingredient is going to be French vanilla. This is my very favorite protein smoothie mix. Smells wonderful. Okay, so I was thinking you can make this warm, just warm up your milk, or you could add ice cubes to it. All right, cover your ears just for a couple seconds and we'll get this blended up. Okay, so here we go. All right. All right, let's give it a taste. This tastes so good. It literally tastes just like gingerbread. So cheers to you. Hope you give it a try. Let me know if you like it. See you later.